Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the best foods that are good for your lung health. Your lungs are vital organs that allow you to breathe and deliver oxygen to your body. They also help you fight off infections and remove toxins from your blood. To keep your lungs healthy and strong, you need to eat a balanced diet that includes these foods. 1. Apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and they are also good for your lungs. Apples are rich in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that can protect your lungs from inflammation, oxidative stress, and damage. They can also lower your risk of asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and lung cancer. You can eat apples fresh, baked, or juiced, or make a pie or a cider. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is high in fiber, vitamin C, and sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a compound that can activate a gene that produces enzymes that can detoxify your lungs and prevent lung damage. It can also reduce inflammation, improve lung function, and prevent lung infections. You can eat broccoli raw, steamed, or roasted, or add it to your salads, soups, or stir-fries. 3. Garlic. Garlic is a pungent herb that has many health benefits for your lungs. Garlic contains allicin, which is a substance that can kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can cause lung infections. It can also boost your immune system, lower your blood pressure, and prevent blood clots. You can eat garlic fresh, cooked, or pickled, or use it to flavor your dishes. 4. Ginger. Ginger is a spicy root that can help you breathe easier. Ginger has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties that can soothe your throat, clear your airways, and relieve cough and congestion. It can also stimulate your circulation, warm your body, and improve your lung function. You can eat ginger fresh, dried, or candied, or make a tea or a syrup. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow spice that is widely used in Indian cuisine. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a pigment that can fight inflammation, oxidation, and infection in your lungs. It can also modulate your immune system, prevent lung fibrosis, and inhibit the growth of lung cancer cells. You can eat turmeric fresh, powdered, or supplement, or use it to color and flavor your dishes. 6. Water. Water is the most essential element for your lung health. Water can hydrate your lungs, thin your mucus, and flush out toxins from your body. It can also prevent dehydration, which can cause dryness, irritation, and inflammation in your lungs. You should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day, or more if you exercise or live in a dry climate. These are the best foods that are good for your lung health. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to comment below and let me know what are your favorite foods for your lungs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!